Um, I'm Charles Joshua Samson, and this is my opinion. Their ceremony brings me joy and wonder because they have always turned toward something that comes from their ancestors, and it's nice that they welcome everyone to their Thanksgiving fest. The neighbor are always there when there's canoe. In addition, it is customary for the whole community to support the family before, during and the during and after the traditional event called Kanyao. Also, I am happy that sa Filipino in Cabiao, we maintain our reputation as bayanihan, which allow us to be recognized by others. To visual express the things that the host family prays for, they offer them as a way of asking wisdom and the spirit to continue to bless them. Since not everyone knows about ceremony, I'm glad it exists in Philippines. I hope this type of tradition continue over time aside from the Kanyao ceremony. There are other ceremonies that are not widely known in the Philippines. I would like to I would like it to be passed on the future generation and for many people discover our nation custom. Yun lang po.